What happens when you start eating chia seeds every day? These tiny seeds came from Guatemala and Mexico and were the main food for the Mayans and Aztecs. The Mayans even called them chia, which means strength, so they knew these seeds were special. Chia seeds are packed with important nutrients like fatty acids, fiber, and minerals that our bodies need. But what happens when you eat chia seeds regularly? How many chia seeds should you eat a day? Can eating chia seeds reduce belly fat? What are the risk factors of using chia seeds? In this video, we'll explore the answers to these questions and learn the many health benefits of chia seeds. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and updates. Now, let's dive in and see the benefits of eating chia seeds daily. Number 1, may improve your digestion. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, offering up to 10 grams per serving. This is between 29 to 45% of the fiber you need each day, depending on your diet. Fiber is important because it keeps your digestive system healthy, improves heart health, and lowers cholesterol. Many people today don't get enough fiber in their diets, which can lead to problems like constipation and diabetes. Chia seeds have both soluble and insoluble fiber, making them a great choice to help you stay healthy and balanced. Number 2, may help in weight loss. Chia seeds are great because they have a lot of fiber. A 2011 study found that chia seeds can help people lose weight quickly. Another study showed that people who added chia seeds to their yogurt felt fuller than those who just ate yogurt. Adding chia seeds to your meals can help you stay full longer and avoid unhealthy snacks. They are the perfect addition to your diet. Plus, the fiber in chia seeds helps keep your blood sugar steady, even after a big meal. Number 3, may combat free radicals. Chia seeds have antioxidants that can fight free radicals in your body. Free radicals cause damage to cells and stress in the body. Eating foods with antioxidants may lower your risk of health problems linked to free radicals, like heart disease, mental decline, and some types of cancer. Some antioxidants in chia seeds are caffeic acid, chlorogenic acid, camphorol, quercetin. Number 4, are a great source of plant protein. Tiny but mighty, chia seeds pack a powerful punch with nearly 5 grams of plant-based protein in just 2 tablespoons. They are a game changer for vegans and vegetarians looking to meet their protein goals, says Lubeck. Protein isn't just crucial for muscle strength, it's essential for everything from healing to keeping our immune systems in top shape. Number 5, may boost your heart health. Did you know that chia seeds are packed with a powerful antioxidant called quercetin? This little seed is not just about antioxidants though. It's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, the good fats your heart loves. About 75% of its fat content is alpha-linoleic acid, with another 20% being omega-6 fatty acids, a perfect ratio for keeping heart disease at bay and possibly extending your life. While more human studies are needed, research on rats suggests chia seeds can lower triglycerides, reduce oxidative stress, and even lower blood pressure, a major heart disease risk. Plus, they are rich in copper, vital for heart health. Before we move on to the next benefit, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative videos. Number 6, get stronger bones. Chia seeds are packed with essential nutrients for strong bones like magnesium and phosphorus. Just 1 ounce provides 14% of your daily calcium needs, which is crucial for healthy bones, muscles, and nerves. In fact, chia seeds have more calcium per gram than dairy products. Number 7, may lower inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds, such as alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, have anti-inflammatory benefits. These can help reduce inflammation in your body, which is linked to chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and some cancers. ALA is found in plant-based foods like chia seeds and supports your nervous system health. Number 8, may reduce your blood sugar levels. Chia seeds might help lower blood sugar spikes in the body. In a small study from 2017, 2 groups of people ate either flax seeds or chia seeds to see which could slow down how the body releases glucose. The study found that chia seeds were better at reducing blood sugar spikes than flax seeds. This could be especially helpful for people with type 2 diabetes. Chia seeds have lots of fiber, which can also reduce insulin resistance and improve blood sugar levels. Another study showed that chia seeds caused a different response in lowering blood sugar compared to regular grains. This could help manage blood sugar levels better after meals. Some animal studies also suggest that chia seeds might improve how sensitive the body is to insulin. However, more research is needed before we can be sure about these benefits. Number 9. Keep your cholesterol in check. Recent studies exploring the impact of chia seeds on cholesterol and triglyceride levels revealed promising findings. A comprehensive 2021 review of 10 clinical trials highlighted that chia seeds can elevate HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, potentially enhancing cardiovascular health by balancing blood lipids. Moreover, these tiny seeds were found to positively influence various markers in individuals' fatty acid profiles. While more research is needed, chia seeds show potential as a valuable addition for those aiming to lower LDL cholesterol levels. Most studies focused on individuals with diabetes or metabolic syndrome who incorporated 25 to 50 grams of chia seeds daily, demonstrating significant reductions in triglycerides. While chia seeds aren't a magic bullet for cholesterol management, they can play a beneficial role when part of a healthy, balanced diet. Number 10. May reduce your risk of chronic disease. Chia seeds pack a powerful punch against oxidative stress, shielding your body from the harm caused by free radicals. Research highlights their role in lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart issues, diabetes, and even conditions affecting the brain and cancer. These tiny seeds are bursting with antioxidants, including polyphenols, that not only scavenge free radicals but also play a crucial role in preventing disease. Adding chia seeds to your diet could be your secret weapon for a healthier future. How much chia seeds can you eat in a day? There is no recommended daily allowance for chia seeds, but they can be safely consumed in amounts up to 50 grams per day, equivalent to about 5 tablespoons. Just 2 tablespoons are enough to provide all the nutritional benefits. Risks of using chia seeds. There was a report about a man who ate dry chia seeds and then drank water. The seeds expanded and got stuck in his throat. If you have difficulty swallowing, be careful with chia seeds. They swell up when they absorb water, so don't eat them dry. However, it's crucial to consume them properly to avoid potential risks. Start small, listen to your body, and enjoy the remarkable advantages these ancient superfoods offer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.